We are pleased to show you the 2016 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, trip odometer, trip computer, clock, child safety locks, power windows, power brakes. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.